Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I was at Sam's Club the other day and I picked up some hamburger patties they had pre-made. They were the 90%, 10% fat, and they were on discount because they were left over from the day before, and so they knocked 10% off of it. Well, I wound up with 16 of them here, and they were weighing just a little over a third pound. So I got the scales out and I measured them, made all these here are quarter pound. And instead of just freezing them up, I'm going to go ahead and cook them up right now. And I can show you why I'm doing that. So let's get at it. So I'm going to use one of my big skillets here. Now one thing I do, because this is only 10% fat on it, I had to spray it with the canola oil here so it doesn't stick so bad. Okay, it's going to get a little noisy. I'm going to turn the fan on. I got to get out my big spatula for it. Alright, so turn that down a little bit. Now, all I'm going to do for seasoning these is I'm going to add some salt on them. Then a little onion powder. And a little garlic. The reason I'm doing it this way is I'm going to cook them up, then I'll freeze them, and that way when I just need to, when I want a hamburger, I can just pop it in the microwave, warm it up for 30 seconds, and it's good to go. Then I'll add a little salt to the other side. And a little put more onion powder on the other side. Down just a little bit more. Now the big cast iron kind of diffuses the heat and spreads it out, makes it a little more even than if I was just using using just a regular skillet on here. Because I hate the heat control on electric ovens. I like gas or the induction. The induction you can control almost like a gas. There we go. And so this is what I'm going to do with all of them. I'm not going to make you watch all of them, but I'm going to do it the same way for all 25 of them, and we'll be good to go. So, just want to make sure, you know, this is an idea to make your frozen hamburger, hamburger instead of freezing it and having to defrost it and do it. You're working it beforehand, cook it, toss this in the freezer, it'll last longer. And it's a quick, easy fix when you need to heat up to make a meal. You know, the kids will love it because they come home from school and they can make themselves a hamburger really quick and not mess up the entire kitchen. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe and keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.